Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use animation on your video in your CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your CapCut. Now select your picture or video. Now press on your video or picture. Here you will find the option of animation. Press on this. So from here you can use your animation on your video. That's it. So this is how to use animation on video in your CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.